Okay, from here, pencil tool. With the pencil tool, you can draw curves with just click and drag. You don't need to first turn off this stabilizer and sculpt. You can just click and drag to create a curve. And as you can see, it creates a curve for you. Before doing that, if you select pencil tool, you can come to select it here to the stroke and select any other color that you want. I create an artboard here and I change the artboard color background with this color tool to it's better for me. It's a dark background better than the very white background. In some cases, if you need, of course, you can make it white. So in a stroke, I explained it before, you can just change the color with 3 modes: color, gradient, and swatches. I explained it before. It's very easy. Then you can continue, click and drag to draw. With the widths, you can change the widths of your stroke very easily. As we can see, if I want to continue this drawing, it's not will be happen because it does not continue our drawing. There are separate curves. But if you turn on sculpt mode, toggle sculpt mode, if you draw something, and then if you want to continue here, it looks like before. But if you going mouse over here, and as you can see, our mouse turn to the plus, you can continue drawing, and I have one continuous curve. Nice. This is called just at the end of it. But if you come here, it's a new curve. At the end of your curve, it's a red marker. This is an sculpt mode. The controller, if you have a real pen brush and tablet, you can set it to the pressure, and with the pressure you can draw. But I don't have an, I can explain it for you. Sorry. Stabilizer. Instead of the controller that you can use a stabilizer. Let's draw something. As you can see, our drawing is not very good, and exactly the pennies I can draw. But if you active a stabilizer and then active one of them, rope mode and the window mode, it's create a rope between pen and the place that you draw in the curve. Look at that. We have a red rope that are following. It's a real rope that you can come here and continue your drawing, It's real rope that you can create very nice and smooth curve that I can create it with my hand. If you turn it off, as you can see, it's very hard with mouth, and I can't drawing well. So stabilizer is very interesting. This is a rope that you can change the length of your rope as you desire. We have more rope length here. Another mode of this stabilizer is window mode. In window mode, it's just a simple bar. It does not like a rope. You can see it's like a bar, and it's stable. It means a piece of bar is connecting to your, as you can see, it's based on your speed changing. And the rope, the length of the rope is constant. So this is the difference between the window mode or the rope if you want, and you can change the length here. Use fill color if you create, and close. If you close your object, it's automatically closed because our fill color is the color like this, and if you draw, it create a fill color here for you, or automatically closed. If you draw something, it's automatically closed for you. And keep selected, it means it's selected. You can see the object. But if you turn it off, it deselected automatically. Keep selected. After you draw, it keeps selected and you can see the points. So this is pencil. It's very easy and useful tool. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.